This monster of a machine, the Caterpillar 6090, is big enough to scoop up an entire house. But if that's not impressive enough, we also have the XCMG XGC88000 crane. Or maybe you'd like to know how they clear the seafloor after a wreck. Now that's where the Gosho comes in. Speaking of which, let's start our discussion with the Gosho Grab Dredger. Now, if you think regular dredgers are big, wait until you hear about Gosho, the largest grab dredger in the world. Built in Japan, this beast is 100 meters long, 36 meters wide, and stands 50 meters tall with its dredging equipment. Its grab bucket alone holds 200 cubic meters of material and can dig as deep as 48 meters with a reach of 31 meters. Now, unlike traditional dredgers which rely on wire ropes, Gosho uses a hydraulic counterweight system, making it about 40% more energy efficient. It's powered by 3 Yanmar 8N330L UV generators, each producing 2,795 kilowatts plus an auxiliary 160 kilowatt generator. Positioning is quick with its 2-spud system, moving in just 3 to 5 minutes without needing anchors. Designed for precision, it features automatic operation and underwater positioning, making it a game changer in deep sea excavation. Now, before we get too deep into this list, don't forget to smash that like button, like these machines are about to smash down gigantic tasks. Next on our list is the Mantsinen 120. The Mantsinen 120 is a heavy-duty material handler from Finland, designed for ports, terminals, and industrial sites. Weighing between 110 and 140 tons, it has an impressive reach of up to 28 meters. You can choose between a 375 kilowatt diesel engine or a 250 kilowatt electric motor. Thanks to Mantsinen's hybrid lift system, it uses up to 35% less energy, making operations more efficient and eco-friendly. It comes in different configurations, on tracks, wheels, rails, or as a stationary unit depending on your needs. The machine can be equipped with various attachments like clamshell buckets, grapples, and lifting hooks, all of which can be swapped in minutes using its hydraulic quick coupling system. If sustainability matters to you, the electric version produces zero CO2 emissions when powered by green electricity. It's a powerful and adaptable machine built to handle large-scale material movement with ease. Our third machine is the Dressta TD25. Moving heavy material with the Dressta TD25 is like having a tank designed for earth moving. This powerful crawler dozer, used in mining and construction, runs on a Cummins QSX-15 engine pushing out 375 horsepower or 280 kilowatts. It weighs about 41.5 metric tons, so it's built to handle the toughest jobs. With a drawbar pull of 794 kN, it grips the ground like a beast. The TD25 series offers different blade configurations, U, semi-U, and angle, so you can customize it for any job. The operator's view is wide and clear, making precision work easier. Older versions like the TD25G and TD25R had engines producing 238 kilowatts and 246 kilowatts with slightly lighter weights. Whether you need brute force or precision, the TD25 is designed for tough, high-performance earth moving that gets the job done efficiently. Number 4 is the Davon RK7 Rock Boom. If you've ever seen a rock-breaking machine at work, you know it needs serious power and reach. The Davon RK7 Rock Boom is built just for that, handling tough tasks with ease. It's designed to service large stationary crushers, offering an impressive 17.6 meter horizontal reach, allowing it to cover a vast area without constant repositioning. It's strong enough to handle hydraulic hammers weighing up to 4,100 kilograms, which makes it versatile enough to tackle different sizes of rocks. The RK7 is built with reinforced materials to withstand the high impact forces generated during rock breaking, ensuring long-lasting performance. It integrates smoothly with existing crusher systems, enhancing operational efficiency without requiring major modifications. Whether you're breaking oversized materials or looking to boost productivity, the RK7 is a heavy-duty solution for the job. Number 5, the Komatsu MC51. Imagine cutting through tough rock like slicing through butter with the right tool. That's the kind of power the Komatsu MC51 brings to the table. This compact, fully electric continuous miner is designed for underground hard rock mining. It's only 12.5 meters long, 4.2 meters wide, and 3.6 meters high, making it perfect for confined spaces. With Komatsu's Dynacut technology, it carves precise tunnel profiles with a 50mm accuracy and can excavate tunnels up to 5 meters by 5 meters in size. The machine runs on a modest 320 kilowatt of power, saving on ventilation costs. It's also remotely operated, keeping operators safe and away from the cutting face. The MC51 has even been tested in Vale's Garson mine in Canada, where it's proven to cut through challenging rock with impressive results. Number 6. The Komatsu 22H. Now, if you're looking for an underground loader that's powerful yet efficient, the Komatsu WX22H is a game changer. This hybrid load haul dump or LHD machine is designed for hard rock mining, offering a payload capacity of 18,000 kilograms with bucket options ranging from 8.2 to 11.2 cubic meters. It runs on a switched reluctance or SR technology electrical propulsion system, giving you smooth performance with less wear and tear compared to traditional loaders. You get 2 MTU Detroit diesel engine options, one with 375 horsepower and another pushing 429 horsepower, both meeting strict emission standards. It can hit 27 kilometers per hour in both directions, making cycle times faster. The Lynx 2 control system gives real-time load data on a touchscreen display, and Smart Solutions remote monitoring helps you track performance. With a 7.64 meter turning radius and hydraulic efficiency, the WX22H is built for reliability in tough mining conditions. Number 7. The XCG88000 crane. Take a look at what this monstrosity can do. The XCMG XGC88000 is a powerhouse of a crane, capable of lifting up to an incredible 3,600 metric tons. It's designed for heavy-duty applications, especially in industries like petrochemical and nuclear power construction. The crane comes with a 120-meter boom for standard tasks and can extend to 144 meters for lighter loads. It's also equipped with a range of jibs, offering a 33-meter special jib and a 108-meter tower jib. Powering this beast are 3 641 kilowatt Cummins engines, ensuring it performs reliably under intense pressure. When disassembled for transport, it measures 13 meters long, 3.5 meters wide, and 3.4 meters high, making it easier to move between job sites. The XGC88000 has set lifting records, like moving a 2,600-ton reactor in 2021, proving its unmatched strength in the world of heavy lifting. Number 8 is the Prelude FLNG, the giant floating gas factory. Now, what if I told you there's a floating factory the size of 4 football fields built to extract and process natural gas right in the middle of the ocean? Meet the Prelude FLNG, the largest floating structure ever built and one of the most advanced engineering feats on the planet. At 488 meters long and weighing 600,000 tons when fully loaded, this mega machine is essentially a floating city designed to produce, liquefy, and store natural gas, all while braving the world's harshest oceans. Built by Royal Dutch Shell, the Prelude FLNG revolutionizes offshore energy production. Instead of transporting gas to land-based refineries, this floating giant brings the refinery to the gas fields, making deep-sea extraction more efficient than ever. With a processing capacity of 3.6 million tons of liquefied natural gas per year, this beast could power an entire city the size of Hong Kong for a year. But here's where it gets even crazier. It's designed to withstand Category 5 cyclones and brutal ocean conditions thanks to a massive 93-meter-high mooring turret that allows it to rotate freely with the currents while staying anchored to the seabed. This isn't just a ship, it's a self-sustaining energy powerhouse, producing its own electricity, fresh water and operating completely autonomously for 25 years before needing a dry dock. The Prelude FLNG is more than just a gas factory. It's a game changer for global energy, proving that when it comes to engineering the impossible, we're just getting started. Number 9. The Caterpillar 6090 FS. This isn't just an excavator, it's a mining monster. Meet the Caterpillar 6090 FS, the largest hydraulic mining shovel on the planet. Weighing a staggering 1,102 metric tons, this beast doesn't just dig, it dominates. With 4,500 horsepower and a bucket big enough to scoop up an entire house, this is the ultimate machine for moving mountains. So what makes the 6090 FS the undisputed king of hydraulic mining shovels? Well, let's break it down. The Caterpillar 6090 FS is powered by two massive 16-cylinder diesel engines delivering an earth-shattering 4,500 horsepower. Now that's enough power to fuel multiple race cars combined, but instead of speed, this machine uses it to tear into the toughest terrain on Earth. Unlike traditional mining equipment, this hydraulic shovel doesn't just rely on brute force. It's designed with precision-engineered hydraulics that allow for smooth, controlled excavation, making it one of the most efficient mining tools in the industry. A bucket built for giants, so if you thought excavators had limits, think again. The bucket on this beast can hold a mind-blowing 52 cubic meters of material. That's like lifting a swimming pool full of dirt in one go. And get this, each scoop weighs 85 tons. That's heavier than a Boeing 737 or an entire blue whale. It's so powerful that it can load a 400-ton mining truck in just 4 passes. Now that's efficiency. And it's built for the toughest jobs on Earth. From coal mines to iron ore extraction, the Caterpillar 6090 FS plays a crucial role in keeping the world's industries moving. Without machines like this, we wouldn't have the raw materials needed for construction, transportation, and even technology. Its reinforced steel frame and advanced hydraulic system allow it to take on the toughest environments. Whether it's the freezing cold of the Arctic or the scorching heat of the Australian outback, and just look at the size of it. Standing next to one of these machines is like standing next to a moving skyscraper. So why is the Caterpillar 6090 FS considered the ultimate mining machine? Well, it's simple. Sheer power, efficiency, and an ability to move massive amounts of material faster than any other hydraulic shovel. If you're a fan of extreme machines, the Caterpillar 6090 FS is the gold standard of mining equipment. The Caterpillar 6090 FS isn't just an excavator. It's an engineering masterpiece, the kind of mega machine that keeps the world running. Now, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to crush that subscribe button before we get into our 10th machine. Speaking of the 10th machine, we have the Bauer cutter. Now, think of Bauer's trench cutters as the Swiss Army knives of construction equipment, capable of tackling a range of demanding jobs. Their cutters are designed for creating deep trenches and diaphragm walls, with models like the BC32, BC35, and BC40 offering various configurations to suit different needs. The BC32 has a max torque of 112 Knm, and its total weight ranges from 26 to 37 tons, with trench widths between 640 and 1500 millimeters. For deeper or larger jobs, the BC40 weighs about 39 tons and delivers 112 Knm torque. The BCS 125 is a heavy-duty cutter with a max cutting depth of 50 meters and can handle 2 times 91 Knm of torque. These cutters are built to work in tough ground conditions, making them perfect for projects where precision and power are key. Now, from record-breaking cranes to ocean-sized floating factories and mining monsters that scoop up entire houses, these machines redefine what's possible in engineering. Whether it's the Caterpillar 6090 FS, the XCMG XGC88000 crane, or the Gosho Grab Dredger, each one is a testament to human innovation and sheer mechanical power. But we know there are even more incredible machines out there. Do you know of a more powerful crane than the XCMG XGC88000? Or maybe a mining machine that could rival the Caterpillar 6090 FS? Drop your comments below and let us know. And if you love extreme engineering, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into the world's biggest and most powerful machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.